What's going on, guys? Jason from Zone 2 Garage coming to you tonight. We have Project, what do we call this thing? It's not Duramax, it's a Cummins. Project Dodge. It's a Ram, apparently, what the owner says. But yeah, so this is what we're doing our LED conversion on. And in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the puddle lights. So we have these nice puddle lights today provided from us from dieselleds.com. They're a really nice, high quality unit. Let's get this out of the package here. And these are the little lights that go right underneath the mirror here. The factory ones are very, very dim. Here's the unit here that we get from Diesel LEDs. See, it's a nice, very nicely constructed, nice heat sink. Let's go ahead and dive right into this. Today, for the tools you're gonna need, guys, it's just gonna be a nice screwdriver. Nice little baby screwdriver. We call this the pocket on the tool truck. And what we're going to do is we're going to come underneath this light, and this is the light we're going to change here. You see how it's a little bit darker here, so that's going to be our tab. We're just going to snake our screwdriver up, right up into there, and you're going to pop it out. Let's see, this side might be a little bit better. Remember, guys, this is a 250,000-mile truck, and these things have never been taken out. So there we go. You just snake it in there, and you want to work it around to where right there it pops out. So you have a nice tab on there, so you just want to compress that in there. So this is how it's held in. You're just going to unplug it. Notice how there are two sizes, so there's no guessing work to be done. No testing needs to be done. 250,000 miles. It really sticks these boys on there. I do believe these are factory Ram connectors, because it's not Dodge. It's a Ram. Apparently. Let's go ahead and get our nice light out here, and we see our light corresponds to our connectors, so we're going to go ahead and plug our little one into here. Make sure you guys get it into the connector. You don't want to get it underneath this protective gear here. It won't make a good connection. You'll feel it just snap into place as it goes in, just like so. And then you just want to tuck these guys back up into here. As you go in, there's a little space in there for them, so that you can pull it out when you're ready to change them. And you guys want to line your quarters up. You see our tabs are in the same place. 1, 2 in the back, and 1 in the front. And boom. That's it, guys. You just give it a nice little push around. See, a nice flush fitment. And that's it, guys. We're going to get you a little look-ski here in a second as to how these look. Give us 1 second. Real quick. And there you guys have it. The nice diesel LED puddle lights for your 2012 Ram 3500. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Have a good one.